By the end of this lesson, the students will be able to define an aqueous system, define acid and base in terms of the three theories: Arrhenius theory, Bronsted-Lowry theory, and Lewis theory. We have learned in a previous lesson that reactant particles must collide in order for them to react. These particles can be either atoms, ions, or molecules. A liquid is generally used to dissolve solid reactants so that their particles can move about and collide with the other reactant molecules. Container A contains solid sodium chloride. Click on the crystal to view a larger picture of the particles of sodium chloride. Click the Mix button to view what happens when water is added to the sodium chloride in the container. A solution is now formed. What particles are present in the solution? Answer: Na+ and Cl- ions and water molecules. When water is used to dissolve a solid or liquid, the solution formed is called an aqueous solution. The container above contains an aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Click on the electrical switch. What happens? Answer: the bulb lights up. The aqueous solution of sodium chloride is able to conduct electricity because of the presence of ions in the solution. The aqueous solution of sodium chloride is called an electrolyte. The beaker shown contains methanol, a molecular substance. Click the methanol button to view a larger picture of the molecules of methanol. Methanol is soluble in water. Click the Mix button to see what happens when water is added to methanol. What particles are present? Answer: methanol molecules and water molecules. When a molecular substance dissolves in water, it usually produces intact molecules and not ions in the solution. Hydrogen chloride gas is made up of molecules. Click the Mix button to observe what happens when hydrogen chloride gas is mixed with water. Hydrogen chloride dissolves in water to form hydrochloric acid, aqueous HCl. What kind of particles are produced? Answer: ions. When hydrogen chloride gas dissolves in water, it ionizes or breaks apart into H+ and Cl- ions. The H+ ions combine with water molecules to form hydronium ions H3O+. Summary: an aqueous solution is a solution in which water is the solvent. An ionic substance such as sodium chloride forms ions in aqueous solutions. A substance that forms ions in solution is called an electrolyte. When a molecular substance dissolves in water, the solution consists of molecules dispersed throughout the water. Some molecular substances, such as acids, react with water to form ions, one of which is the hydronium ion, H3O+.